Hi guys, my name is Wendy, and today I'm going to be showing you my current skincare routine, and I'm also going to be telling you a story about how I started DIY skincare and why I stopped. So if you're interested in that, please stick around. So why did I start and stop using DIY skincare? Well, it all started with my passion with zero waste and sustainability. I just wanted to save the earth. A zero waste advocate I know recommended using apple cider vinegar toner as a form of zero waste skincare because, no plastic. At the time, I saw no harm in it because, first of all, no plastic. And second of all, her skin was so glowy and so beautiful. So I was like, why not just try it out? I want to mention that around that time, I was starting to doubt commercial skincare because I was using all these toners and serums and moisturizers, but my face just remained the same. And I hated the marketing behind skincare. I was like, hello, scam alert. My skin isn't really reactive per se. Of course, I do break out from time to time, but virtually, I can put literally anything on my skin and it would totally be fine. Maybe because I'm young, I'm not sure. I hesitated, but eventually I started to try out DIY skincare. So I tried out different versions of apple cider vinegar toner. I used filtered water, rose water, green tea, and even added, you guessed it, essential oils. Every skincare junkie's nightmare. My skincare routine was basically just apple cider vinegar toner, a regular moisturizer, and a sunblock for the day, or maybe a face oil for the night. Ultimately, there wasn't anything wrong with the skincare that I was using, and my face felt really smooth after using the toner. I even introduced it to a few of my friends, and they also seemed to love it. So, why would I stop? Okay, so long story short, I got bored of it and I wanted to see some sort of transformation in my skin that both DIY and my old commercial skincare just wasn't doing for me. Like nothing bad happened while using the DIY skincare, but then again, nothing really good happened either. I started watching more and more skincare YouTubers and I saw all these amazing claims from skincare experts about all these amazing chemicals like niacinamide, and it made me have faith in commercial skincare again. So I'm a person who really trusts science and facts. But then again, I'm also a very gullible consumer. So it really shocked me when all of these YouTubers just myth busted all of my perceptions about skincare. Like fragrances and essential oils are not good for you. Don't get me wrong, I did do some research prior to trying out DIY skincare, but as I continued to watch more and more skincare videos online, I realized what I really wanted for my skincare. I realized what my skin really needed and the chemicals that I needed to use in order to help them. I realized that commercial skincare isn't really the devil. I mean, the way they market their products and the unnecessary amount of products that they come out with just to trick consumers into buying more is evil, but it's not the worst. Commercial skincare offers a lot of treatments and ingredients that DIY skincare just doesn't. But my main issue with commercial skincare is that the amount of plastic bottles is just disgusting. Most recycling centers only accept clean, dried bottles. And if you've ever bought a product just for the cute packaging, you'll know that sometimes it's not that easy to clean them. Also, plastic can only be recycled 2 to 3 times before it ends up in a landfill, and I just hate to contribute to that. It's basically a fight between do you want to be beautiful or do you want to keep the earth beautiful? So, what am I gonna do about it? Well, I've started being more and more picky with the products that I actually buy. I try to buy items that have quality and quantity so that I can use the products for a longer time and lessen the amount of waste that I produce. So, an example of this is maybe the Nature Republic aloe vera gel. I can use it for a super duper long time, and it's only one container. So, I can bring that to recycle, and it's not that harmful compared to buying a small, little, tiny amount of moisturizer 10 times a year. I also try to use products that have glass packaging because they can be recycled more times than plastic. But the sad part about that is that a lot of recycling companies in Malaysia doesn't actually accept glass. I try to recycle my skincare at skincare outlets that have recycling programs. So an example of this is maybe L'Occitane. I'm not really sure how to pronounce that, but L'Occitane or Innisfree. So L'Occitane actually accepts any brand of an emptied product, whereas Innisfree only accepts their own products. So you can take that into consideration when you're trying to recycle. Also, I recycle my items at these outlets because I find that it gives me a peace of mind rather than bringing it to the recycling center. Because I don't know about you guys, but most recycling centers that I go to are pretty run down, and the way they handle and sort the plastic, paper, and glass products is a bit, I would say, manhandling. So I don't really get a peace of mind when I give it to them. So I think that handing over to outlets is a better alternative. So yeah, overall, reducing waste is very hard and something that I'm struggling with until today. But I'm trying my best, and I hope you try your best to make skincare routine sustainable too. Okay, so that's the end of my little get ready with me skincare talk along thing. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please follow me on all my social medias. I've linked it down in my description. Don't forget to follow and subscribe and like the video if you liked it. And leave a comment if you're interested in anything I talk about. Thanks for watching again. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.